Hey folks, so this is Shetz, and today's lesson I will help you with page 9 in your packet. And if you're on Class Kick, it is slide number 10. It should say 6-1 practice. And most of this lesson deals with the exterior angles. So, and this is a continuation from yesterday's. We're going to do number 30 together, and notice this figure, number 30, has 5 slides. So I know that 5 minus 2 times 180 is 540. So I know that number 30 has to have a grand total of 540 degrees. And when I subtract 160, 180, and 91, I get 109. So 109 is our answer for number 30. Now, when you go on to the next couple problems, you have to remember this is 6 sides. And again, n minus 2 times 180, n stands for the number of sides. So anyway, this guy has 6, this guy has 4, just find the missing angle. Now, when we jump down to the next section, notice what it says. Find the measure of the exterior angle. Well, we are going to use this formula. And when we do that, we know that decagons have 10 sides, so n is 10. Therefore, its exterior angle is only 36 degrees. So number 36, the answer is 36 degrees. And I'd like you to do the rest of these problems down here. When we get to the next section, it says, find the values. So you're just going to find out what x and y is. Remember, you want to count the number of sides of each of these figures, and then use this formula. And don't forget, if this is the exterior, then this guy right in here, I'll draw it for you. This guy, this guy would be the interior angle, which is supplementary. There you go. Okay, we're going to skip down to the next section. It says the exterior angle is given. So the exterior angle is 12. It says find the measure of the interior. Well, simply, that is just the supplement to 12 degrees. And we know that part of this question, the interior angle is 168 degrees to supplement. Continuing on, find the number of sides. Well, if I use this formula, one exterior angle is 360 over n. I don't know n, but guess what they did? They gave us the 12 this time. They told us the exterior angle. Right there is 12. So when I play switcheroo, guess what? N's going to replace this, and 12's going to go down there. Guess what? We get 30. And number 49, the first answer, the interior, and I'll write that up there. This guy's the interior. And then the number of sides is 30. So go ahead and do page 9. I will have a Google quiz for you after that. Try to get on Class Kick between 2 to 3 if you have questions. And don't forget to put it in the topics on the left-hand side of class. You're in your classroom. Under classwork on the left-hand side, you can also ask me questions there. All right, folks, take care. Have a great sunny day.